Hello everyone, my name is Casey Jordan and I am a rep for Epilog Laser. I want to thank Jessamine County Public Library for allowing me to do this collaboration with them to bring you these videos and help you succeed with running the laser systems. In today's video, we're going to go over the CO2 laser system. In this video, we're going to go over how to snapshot a photo of whatever's in the machine, how to focus the machine, and how to set up the speed and power correctly for each material. There are certain looks that we want to achieve, and hopefully by the end of this, you'll be able to achieve those very easily.
Check out this cool tip we're about to show you. We're going to show you how to use the camera to set up your measurements. Just simply place your material anywhere on the table, then go to jog, run the lens over your material, press autofocus, and voila.
So we're setting up our first job here. So the first thing that we need to do is actually focus our material so that our camera can capture the measurement of the material. So when I do this, all I'm going to do is stick my piece inside the table. Next, we want to press the jog button. It's going to bring this screen up. We are then going to move our joystick to where the lens head is over the top of the material. Go ahead and cut that. We'll actually get the rail moving. Okay, bring it back here. Next, we're just going to press the autofocus button and let the machine do the work. We'll get another video of that if you want to go to the lens head. Once you're done, you will then hit reset. Reset. Perfect. Once it focuses, I hit reset and I close the door. After we focus the machine, we want to set up our Corel Draw to match the table size that our machine has. We will go to Get Started on Corel, New Document. Make sure that our primary color mode says RGB. Type in the page size that is the table of your machine, which is a 24 by 24. We press OK. Once we do that, now we're ready to actually take a snapshot of what is in the machine itself. So we can open our job manager. When we open the job manager, we go to the camera system, located in the top right next to the maintenance bar. Click that once and go to overhead video. Once it loads, we can shut our door of the machine and the cameras will recalibrate themselves to pick up our material. Once the cameras are recalibrated, we press copy background image. Go back to Corel and paste this image in. So you can either right click and paste, or the quick key is Control V. Our picture is now into Corel Draw and we can zoom in and out. One thing I like to do is I like to right click and lock this picture down. Now I cannot move this picture at all. So this will allow me to type on the page and not worry about the image moving. So we have our text typed out. We can go and change our font to whatever we're needing. Zoom into the page and we can resize it to match the measurements that we are wanting. So once we get it set in place, we will go to print. Make sure it says Epilog Engraver. We'll turn our little preview on here. And as you see, it has the picture and the text. So we do not want to send the picture. If we send the picture, it will actually overlay over our text, and we don't want that at all. So we have our text highlighted. Hit selection.
And then go over to your PostScript tab and uncheck Convert True Type to Type 1. Then go down and select Apply.
And then hit Print. Once we do that, it will bring up the dashboard. And our cameras will load up. In the dashboard, we want to set up our speeds and powers. This is wood, so I will go to my folder, import material settings, scroll down to wood, and Epilog does a really nice job of giving you basic starting points with the material. So I'm going to click clip art and text, 500 is fine, import that in. It actually does all the settings for you. So once we get our speeds and powers set up, we take one last final look at our material. Make sure everything lines up properly that we are wanting to engrave. When we are ready, we will press print, and then the job sends over to the machine itself. Once the job is over here, we have a few buttons that we can mess around with. This is our jobs button. This is the delete button. Reset, focus, red dot pointer, jog, and trace. If I turn my red dot pointer on, and then I hit trace, I can see where the machine is going to be and where the engraving will be. I press trace one more time, and it takes the machine back to the upper left corner. Now I'm ready to actually run my job. Once the job is through, open the door and pull out your freshly engraved piece. This is how you set up a basic job in Corel with the Epilog Laser.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreativeSpace at www.jesspublib.org/creativespace.